How to create WeChat account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to create WeChat account, first of all, make sure to download the WeChat account application over here. So just go to the Play Store and search for WeChat over here. Now as you can see, I've already installed the application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will land me to the home page of WeChat application on my device. Now it will look something like this, where you can see the option of login or sign up. Now as we are creating a new account, we're going to tap on sign up, and you can sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. Here I'm going to sign up via mobile, and you have to sign up by your phone number. You just have to mention your name, then make sure that you toggle on the terms and services apps over here. After that, tap on accept and continue, and after that it will lead you to the privacy policy, where you just have to toggle on this red acknowledge the privacy policy and then tap on next. Now we just have to wait for a while. It will lead us to a new page over here. After tapping on continue, it will lead you to a security verification, where in order to protect WeChat from spammers, this registration requires further verification to prove that we are human. So just tap on authenticate, and as we tap on authenticate, it will ask us to select certain images that match the given word. So here it says fish, so I'm going to do this and then tap on OK, and we have passed the verification. After that, you can select a security verification method. You can verify via payment card or QR scan or activate Wix and Pay. You can just tap on any of this option over here. I'm going to go for payment method, and all you have to do is mention a card number, card holder, CVV or CVC number and expiry date, and then tap on next, and it will be easier for you to create an account on WeChat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.